Welcome everyone to mimic.digital. Today we're going to quickly have a look at the stage control module. As you see over here, I've created multiple stages. The stage module is the heart of the system, and in here you can do quite a lot of things. Let's quickly take a look at what multiple stages looks like on your front end. In the bottom right, you'll see that we currently have a YouTube video active. So if we go ahead and click on the front end over here, you'll see that this is the clip that is active. So what I did over here is I created a top menu bar, and I've grouped all the stages that I've built into a single drop-down menu. So looking at the back end, there's quite a few things that you can do. Currently, I'm in the all-in-one stage. That's the name I gave it. You can see it here on the front end as well. Now each stage allows you to have different inputs. When you create a stage, a default input is created automatically. This is an HTML file that you can modify in the web portal. You can add things like a countdown, logos, change text, and so on. Now, if you have a look at the bottom of your screen, there's a tab that says Add Input. When you click on that, you can add a new input. Now, these are things like YouTube videos or Vimeo videos. You can add our custom Theo player. You can embed code. You can embed any embeddable code in here. And then you can also include your SRT live streams or your RTMP live streams from various encoders or from software packages like OBS. Now, if you have a look on the right side over here, you can see there's various other buttons such as audience, your Q&A, chat, and polls. Now, this is where you can go and set up these various engagement platforms. If you have a look at the top over here, you can choose which of these input interfaces you want active. So if you have a look here, I can switch Q&A off and chat off, and you'll see that they're automatically switched off in the front end as well. So if I switch over to this Vimeo clip that I've added as an input, and you do this by clicking and holding on the activate button, you'll see that the front end also changes to that specific input source. So it's all real time and connected in real time. So here I'm switching into the 360 quiz. This is a VR quiz created by 3D Studio Vista. And the same as before, you can see that has an effect on the actual front end as well, where it switches over to the input that's selected. Okay, that's pretty much it. Thanks for joining us for this brief introduction into the stage module.